Add a JavaScript spreadsheet to your web app in 60 seconds. Let's add a JavaScript spreadsheet to our application. We will start with a new Vite application, but you can use any JavaScript framework. In the VS Code terminal, type npm install /spread-sheets. Next, in our HTML file, we add a div tag that will host our spreadsheet. Make sure to give it a unique ID. Now, in our JavaScript file, we need to import our spreadsheet module, and then we can initialize a new instance of a SpreadJS workbook. After it's initialized, we can access its active sheet and add a value to a cell. Lastly, we will import our required CSS file. Now, the app is ready to run. In the VS Code terminal, type npm run dev. In a browser, we can now see our application running on localhost. The web application has a full-featured JavaScript spreadsheet, allowing users to have an Excel-like experience. Download a trial of SpreadJS today at developer.meshias.com.